Okay, well, thank you, Chief Boys, and thank you, Brampton residents, for coming on this call. We're dealing with a major health crisis, maybe the health crisis of our generation, and I feel that it's very important to keep all of you informed. I think transparency is the best approach, and I get briefings on a daily basis, but many of you don't. And I thought putting this town hall together, our council felt by putting this town hall together, it would be an opportunity to answer any of your questions. Any of your questions you can ask of the people working on the front lines of this crisis. Michael Ryan, who is the renowned executive at the World Health Organization, recently said that speed trumps perfection. And we've taken his advice to heart. Michael was one of the leaders dealing with Ebola outbreaks in the world, so he knows infectious disease very well. So in Brampton on Friday, we moved to shut down city facilities. On Monday, even before the provincial announcement, we moved to close restaurants and bars. Right now, social distance is key. People in large numbers, it would cause this to be even more contagious, to spread faster. Peel Public Health has really stressed the importance of social distancing, and we have to trust our health experts. We have to make sure we have the health capacity to handle this crisis. I would note that our Peel Police are well prepared for this. Chief Nishan Durap has been making plans. The fire department is also has the full capacity to handle this, so critical services are being maintained. I'm speaking on a regular basis to the federal minister, Ahmed Hussein, is the Minister for Families, Children and Social Development, and he's going to be supporting us on this. I'm in regular contact with our Deputy Prime Minister. I can tell you the federal government has been very hands-on in terms of how serious this crisis is. Our City Council has initiated 3 task forces. Alan mentioned them before. The Economic Support and Recovery to work with the business community. The Seniors Task Force, which is going to help seniors who shouldn't be leaving their homes. That we all need to look to our elderly neighbors and offer with groceries and medical medicines that need to be picked up. We also have a social support task force that's going to focus on food security and homelessness. So we are really trying to make sure all aspects of our community are covered as we face this crisis. I'm grateful that Frank Martino, who's showing real leadership at William Osler, is on the call tonight. You know, these are unsung heroes in our community. They're taking on an elevated risk for the betterment of the community, and it really is remarkable. And I'm looking forward to hearing from him tonight. I would also note that the Brampton Emergency Management Office that Alan is leading is fully staffed, and they're prepared for the different eventualities that are going to come our way. What I also want to say tonight is I think it's important to be frank. I think speaking the truth is always important. I think there are some people expecting this is going to go away in the next few weeks. It isn't. It's not going to be a matter of weeks. It's going to be a matter of months. So normal life isn't going to come back in the near future. We are confronting one of our generation's greatest economic and health challenges, and I think being aware of that is important, and it's why the measures we're taking, although they seem drastic, are so absolutely necessary. It's not going to be easy. It will be hard, but we will get through this as a city and as a country, and I appreciate that Brampton residents are rising to the occasion. I see people across the city stepping up to help out, and it's so important during this challenge.